to a 25 volt of potential. 10 microfarad capacitor is charged to a 25 volt capacitor, or sorry, 25 volt of potential. The battery is disconnected and the pure 100 millihenry coil is connected across the capacitor so that LC oscillations are set up. LC oscillation पढ़ा हुआ है हम लोग. LC oscillation क्या चीज होती है, एक बार शॉर्ट में रिवाइज करा देता हूं बस. LC oscillation में एक कैपेसिटर होता है और एक कैपेसिटर का पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन होता है इंडक्टर के साथ, और ये इंडक्टर के साथ में दिस कैपेसिटर इज फुल्ली चार्ज्ड, एंड व्हेन दिस कैपेसिटर इज फुल्ली चार्ज्ड इट सेंड द करंट थ्रू द इंडक्टर. याद आ रहा है ना कुछ टॉपिक? सो इट सेंड द करंट टू द इंडक्टर. सो यहां से ये कैपेसिटर है, ये कैपेसिटर में कौन सी एनर्जी स्टोर होती है? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक. कौन सी एनर्जी स्टोर होती है इसमें? कैपेसिटर में कौन सी एनर्जी स्टोर होती है? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक. और यहां कौन सी एनर्जी स्टोर होगी? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. कौन सी एनर्जी स्टोर होगी? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एनर्जी. And this electrostatic energy is converted into magnetic field energy, and when this capacitor is fully discharged, जब ये कैपेसिटर फुल्ली डिस्चार्ज हो जाएगा, so that electrostatic energy is converted into magnetic field energy, and here there is a maximum magnetic field energy. So due to maximum magnetic field energy, it send the reverse current to the capacitor, and the magnetic field energy again is decreasing. And when it is sending current to the capacitor, this capacitor again starts charging. And when this capacitor is again fully charged, it means that magnetic field energy is converted into electrostatic energy. Again here the magnetic field energy is zero. Here there is maximum electrostatic energy is generated in this capacitor. So again it sends the current back to the inductor. And this process is continuous. So this is called as LC oscillation. It means that this electrostatic energy is converted into magnetic field energy, and magnetic field energy is converted into electrostatic energy. It means that electrostatic energy is equals to the magnetic field energy. और दोनों एनर्जी के इक्वेशन हम लोग ने बना चुके हैं. What is the equation for energy stored in capacitor? Electrostatic energy. Energy stored in capacitor 1/2 CV square. So electrostatic energy 1/2 CV square, where C is the capacitance of capacitor and V is the electric potential. And the energy stored in magnetic field. What is energy stored in magnetic field? 1/2 Li square. These are the formulas for electrostatic energy and magnetic field energy. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. In LC oscillation, electrostatic energy is converted into magnetic field energy, and magnetic field energy is converted into electrostatic energy. It means that electrostatic energy is equals to the magnetic field energy. तो दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे. That is UE, that is electrostatic energy is equals to UM. और दोनों इक्वेशन सेम होने के बाद में इस 1/2 CV is equals to 1/2 Li square. 1/2 get cancelled, so it's CV square equals to Li square. ये इक्वेशन है LC oscillation की. अब देखिए यहां से कैलकुलेट द मैक्सिमम करंट इन द कॉइल. करंट निकालना है मैक्सिमम करंट. यहां से मेरे को I का इक्वेशन बनाना पड़ेगा. तो I square is equals to CV square divided by L. तो I is equals to I क्या हो जाएगा? This is under root of C upon L into V. और यहां देख हमारे पास में वैल्यूज दी है, तो वैल्यूज कौन सी दी है देख अच्छे से. So this is a 10 microfarad. The meaning of 10 microfarad, so it's C is equals to 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad, charged with the 25 volt of potential. It means this is V is equals to 25 volt, and the battery is disconnected and the pure inductor of 100 millihenry. So it's L is equals to 100 millihenry. So L is equals to 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 henry. So L is equals to 0.1 henry. ठीक. अब I वैल्यू पुट कर दे. I is equals to under root of LC, है ना? L divided by C. तो C कितना है? This is 10 into 10 to the power minus 6, and this is 0.1, और यहाँ 25. So I is equals to this is what? This is 10 to the power minus 3 plus 1 हो जाएगा. So this is plus 1 and this is 25. Clear? So it means that again I is equals to कितना हो गया 10 to the power minus 4. So this is 10 to the power minus 4 into 25. So this is I is equals to 10 to the power minus 2 into 25. So I becomes 0.25 ampere. This is my answer. So I is equals to कितना आ गया 0.25 ampere.